Have you ever been to a farm? Have you seen hens? You notice the hens, they don't have, incisors or molars or, bicuspids. They don't have teeth. That's where that saying came from. Rarer than hen's teeth. In the immigration world, the K-3 qualifies as the hen's teeth of visas. Hi, I'm immigration attorney Hassan Abdullah, and I'm the president and managing attorney of the American Visa Law Group. And in this video, we're going to talk about the K-3 visa and why you shouldn't bother. 2 people last year in the entire world have gotten a K-3 visa. 2 people. Do you think you would be one of them? Definitely many more than 2 applied for the K-3 visa. And so what is the K-3 visa? And before I even explain that, there was a time when many K-3s were approved. If you go back to 2004, time when I was not practicing law, I was way back studying, that was a time when 13,000 K-3s were approved. So what happened? What changed? What is the K-3 visa? Before I even tell you what happened and what changed, well, one thing at a time, right? The K-3 visa is called the visa for certain spouse of U.S. citizen or spouses of U.S. citizens. Certain, not uncertain. The uncertain need not apply. So what exactly does this category mean? How does it work? So what happens is if you're a U.S. citizen, you're sponsoring a spouse, and that spouse is living overseas, you file an I-130 green card petition. The processing time of that I-130 green card petition is generally longer than the processing time posted by USCIS for K-3, the I-129 form, I-129F form for K-3. So once you get the receipt notice for your green card petition, you can submit a K-3 petition as well. And what used to happen is because the I-130 took such a long time, the K-3 didn't take as much time. It would get approved. And then what happens is it goes to the consulate and the spouse who's overseas will apply to get a K-3 visa. And then they come to the US and they enter on the K-3 visa. And then they're able to apply to get their green card through adjustment of status. This was feasible at some time, once upon a time, but now it is practically impossible. Last year, 2 people got it. The year before, 2 people got it. The year before that, 5 people got it. 6 the year before that, 15 the year before that. So we're seeing a gradual decline. I don't know, this year we might even see 1 or 0 people getting it. The statistics are released every year. By the way, if you want to find the statistics, don't take my word for it. The document you can search, you can go online, Google the term non-immigrant visas by individual class of admission, and you get a report, a multi-year report spanning back decades. And you can see these statistics. They're very interesting. If you're a number nerd like me, you would definitely like to look at these figures. So with that being said, if you have applied for the K-3 and you actually came to the US on a K-3 in the last few years, contact us. We'd like to hear your story at the American Visa Law Group. Visit usavisalaw.com. We have a contact page, and I'd love to hear from you because this is such a rare visa and a non-recommended, I would never recommend this visa, in other words. And that's basically all I would say at this point. I hope this has been interesting and useful. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.